Hey, Brian from Garage Mall. You're probably wondering why I got some like models and stuff in front of me. Well, I got this little mini turntable that I've actually been looking for something, and I finally found one. It comes in a bunch of different colors, black, white, comes with a black finish or like a mirror finish, a couple different selections. But let me show you what comes in the box. So you got your power cord adapter, and it is, I believe it's like a micro USB. So give you a general idea what the adapter is, and then your standard USB they can plug into any power block. You get I guess a little card. Everything looks like it's in Chinese, and then you get your turntable, and it's a pretty compact size overall, and it does have a battery compartment. However, I am not sure what size battery. I tried a double A and absolutely did not fit. So my delusion is it probably has some sort of power cell, and I haven't been able to find anything online yet. But I guess with a power cell, no wires are needed. Anyway, this is your front control panel on this turntable, and that's your 5 volt in. So that's your, I think it's the micro USB adapter. Forgive me if I'm wrong on that. It's got your left right switch. This SR switch controls like the speed that's going to rotate, and then the SAS is kind of like an oscillating mode. But anyway, let me show you how it works. So I'm plugging in my power block to this. So you get the green power light and just like a standard USB block. So if you're going to an event or a seminar or something like that, that's how you can power it on the fly. And we're going to use our little model here. She's from the Battleship Yamato, or if you saw the Americanized version of Star Blazers back in, I guess it was like the 80s. But anyhow, this is actually the only figure that I have that I can place this on. Other than that, I just have a bunch of different model cars and stuff. But anyhow, let me turn the power bank back on. Okay, so you simply hit this button, and it will start rotating all the way around, which is like cool. So if you're doing like a photo session with a toy or a model or glass or whatever you're displaying, that you have this functionality of it. So if you hit it again, it'll rotate around in the other direction, which is really cool. And then you have this, you can control the speed with this SR button. So you can like slow it down. And so you got a couple different speed modes, and like you can put it on like I think I counted like 5 different modes. And again, this didn't come with any directions. So that's kind of why I'm making a video for you, so you can kind of like check it out a little bit better. But anyhow, and then you have the oscillating mode, which is basically it'll turn the figure back and forth for you. So depending on the angle, you can just kind of like have it, set up your model however you want it to. And it holds a decent amount of weight. Let me just take her off. And this is like the obvious Ghostbusters car. And see my dilemma? It doesn't sit that well. So what I did is I got the Ecto 1 license plate, and we are actually going to sit that on top, and then I can sit the display model on that, and then it can basically rotate around. So if I were to lift this off and hit the left right button, so I get that display going, I can simply set that plate up, put the car on top, and now I have a turntable to basically show off any type of model that I want. In this case, it's like different cars. I have a Back to the Future DeLorean that I can put on. I got the Out of Time license plate as well. So just to kind of give your videos a little more interesting flair to it. And I mean, it makes a really nice display piece. And that way, if you're doing a photo session, video, or still frame, you get every single angle of the model that you can get. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching as always, and check this turntable out. I mean, it's like the coolest thing, and hopefully it's going to help bring my videos and and informational videos, educational videos to like the next level. Anyhow, be safe out there.